Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I just noticed that I'm going to do a part 2 of reacting to Morgz and hating on his videos. Yeah. Anyways, I'll call my video flawless. No, I wouldn't, because I was wearing those earphones. You know those that was putting on in the video. Unfortunately, it couldn't get the volume of the video, so that's why I took it out. Right, and then I'm just gonna react to it normally. So let's just go back.
Here we go. Guys, I've just finished eating all my protein bars. I can feel the protein surging through my veins. You know what, guys? I want more. Let's move on to the protein shakes. I've just drank every single can of Coca-Cola.
No, you haven't.
However, guys, this is not over yet. I still have a lot more calories I need to consume. Let's move on to the Ben & Jerry's.
Dang, man, he needs to talk about his eating habit. He was like,
Wait a sec, guys. I think we're all done. Now, all I've got to do is eat this giant tub of pig and mix.
wow, that's the only thing you have to do, huh?
Maybe I should have just got small. Guys, I've finished the protein shakes. Now it's time for the big moment. The pure protein shakes.
No, please don't. Please don't. No, you put your shirt back on, bro. Nobody wants to see your jiggly titties, okay?
Lovely! Oh my god! Guys, I've finished the Coca-Cola and I've finished the Ben & Jerry's. And
At least clean up your mouth, please. It's dirty chocolate all over it.
now it's time for the triple chocolate cake. Team Morgz, let's do this.
Not even.
Martin, congratulations on finishing your food. So Morgan, bye-bye. Guys, what's wrong with you two? Jill, have you not seen how much food we've had to eat? I've had cakes, Ben & Jerry's, Coca-Colas. And I've had protein, and even more protein. I feel awful. Me too. Well,
Comment down. Do you think Morgz and Martin are drunk right now? They're literally like, oh my god, I just finished this Coca-Cola. I just shoved that cake up my mouth. Oh my god, it's so painful.
Colas. And I've had protein, and even more protein. I feel awful. Me too. Well, guys, I've had sweets, chocolates, and donuts, and I feel okay. What's next, guys? I'm ready to carry on eating. Oh. Mom, are you okay? I think I'm in the toilet.
No, they really need to stop. She's like, ah!
Oh, guys, we've eaten 70,000 calories. We can't give up now. We've only got 30,000 calories to go before we've completed the challenge.
Yeah, only 30,000 calories. That's not that much.
30,000? I don't think I can even eat one more calorie.
You know what, guys? Come with me. I've got the perfect idea to get your appetites back. Check it out, guys. It's your favourite restaurant. I know you two won't be able to resist a nice meal in here. Right, guys. I've been looking at the menu and trying to find the biggest thing with the most calories. And I think I found it. Let's order a 30-ounce long bone tomahawk steak.
30 ounce? It's bigger than my head.
It's made for 6 people to share. There must be at least 3,000 calories in that.
Exactly, Morgan. It's perfect. Now, all we've got to do is look for some sides.
Sides? Sides? How much food are we having?
I was thinking at least 10 portions of chips.
10 portions of chips? Are you trying to kill us?
Fine, you're right. We'll just get 9. Oh,
That steak is massive.
You know what, guys? I take back what I said about 3,000 calories. There's probably 3 million calories in that.
Come on then, everybody. Get your knife and forks and let's get stuck in.
knife and fork, knife and fork. I've got a better idea.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What's she doing? You're supposed to eat it with a knife and fork, Mum. That's not a handle, that's a bone. Mum, we're in the middle of a fancy restaurant. That is not how you're supposed to act.
I don't care.
Well then, Morgan, looks like we're just having chips.
All done. Oh, guys, I must have forgot to ask. Do you want any?
No, I don't want any. But thank you for asking, Jill.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, I think I'll pass. Guys, now that we've eaten that gigantic steak, what does that take the calorie total up to?
Morgan, we've still got 20,000 calories to go.
20,000? I can't do any more. I feel sick.
Let's go back home and hopefully we can finish the last 20,000 calories there.
Oh, actually, Morgan, I was going to order a dessert.
Guys, we've got 20,000 calories left. With
Oh no, Morgz. How are you gonna get 20,000 more calories to go?
4 minutes of the way there. We can't give up now. Come on, guys. Martin?
Oh,
What's up? What's up, Martin? Are you okay?
I think you're going to be sick.
Martin? Oh! Martin! There you go!
Oh my god, man. He takes another L. And look.
Sorry about that, guys.
I don't think I can carry on.
Me neither. I think I'm gonna throw up next as well.
We've came so far. I just don't think we can carry on anymore. This is just too hard.
We're sorry, guys, but I think we're gonna have to give up. Wait! Team Dad is coming to save the day.
Guys, I've heard you needed some help to beat the challenge, so I'm here to save the day. And I brought lots and lots of calories. Jam roly-poly, 500 calories. Strawberry and chocolate waffle, 1,000 calories. Oreo pancake stack, 1,300 calories. Assorted milkshakes, 500 calories. each. Chocolate cake, more chocolate cake, 750 calories per tub. Red velvet cookie dough, red velvet cheesecake, 600 calories each. Malteser crepe, Kinder Bueno crepe, 1000 calories each. And finally, the extra large waffles, double chocolate cake waffle and Kinder Bueno waffle, 2,500 calories each. Everybody, grab a dessert. Let's get stuck in before time runs out. Come on! Come on, guys, we're halfway there. Let's get some more. Look at this, guys. We're so close. We've cleared half of it out already.
Dad, my stomach's absolutely killing me. I don't think I can eat anything else.
Me too.
Come on, team. Did John Cena give up? Did Rocky Balboa give up? Did Andy Ruiz give up against Anthony Joshua? No.
Ruiz, he's right. Let's do this.
Oh yeah! We've done it!
Hang on a sec, guys. I think I need the toilet again.
Go, please.